Want to trade with exness but unsure how to start? I'll show you how to open and verify your account. Use my referral link in the description. Let's get started.
First, click the exness registration link provided below this video. Once the exness website opens, click Register. Enter your email address and create a strong password. Make sure you use an email address that you can access because you'll need it for account verification and important account notifications. After entering your information, click Register. exness may ask you to verify your email address. Check your inbox and enter the verification code, if required. If you don't see the email immediately, check your spam or junk folder. Once your email is verified, you can continue with the account setup. Next, confirm your phone number. Select your country or region of residence. Enter your phone number. exness will send you a verification code by SMS or through the available messaging option. Enter the code. Now you'll need to complete your personal information. Enter your first name and last name exactly as they appear on your official identification document. Then enter your date of birth, country of birth, gender, and residential address. Take your time and make sure everything is accurate. Incorrect information can cause problems during the verification process later. Next, exness may ask questions about your financial background. For example, you may be asked about your employment, income, savings, investments, or other sources of wealth. Answer these questions truthfully based on your actual situation. Don't choose an option simply because you think it will help you get approved. The next important step is identity verification. You'll normally need to provide an accepted identity document. Make sure the document is valid, clear, and all information is easy to read. Take a clear photo of the document and upload it according to the instructions on the screen. If your document has two sides, make sure you upload both the front and back when required. Select your document type. You can choose passport, driving license, ID card, and residence permit. Upload your document front side and back side. After submitting your documents, exness will review your information. The verification process can take some time, depending on your account and documents. While waiting, make sure your email and phone number remain accessible in case exness needs additional information. Once your account is successfully verified, you'll be able to access your exness personal area and manage your trading accounts. From here, you can explore the available trading platforms, account types, instruments, deposits, withdrawals, and other features available in your region. Before depositing real money, I strongly recommend learning how the platform works and understanding the risks involved. And that's it. You've now seen the complete process of opening and verifying an exness account. If you want to create your account through my referral link, click the link in the description or pinned comment. Using my link helps support this channel and allows me to continue creating free trading tutorials and educational content. But remember, trading involves risk, and you should never trade money you cannot afford to lose. If this tutorial helped you, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading, and trade responsibly.